This is my first ever pop-up, and tonight, hopefully, we're going to fill this place.
Can you just double check that's not going to notify the fire brigade? Change of plans.
I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself tonight. So this is the first time in a long time that anyone's coming to eat my food. So we're here at Bessies, and today we need to start looking at the menu. We were here last week talking about admin and some marketing, and I had this crazy idea to do a poster. That whole kind of hip-hop thing. I guess that's probably what drew me to it.
That's cool.
But anyway, we really need to get stuck into planning this menu today. We really want it to be like a collaborative menu.
Not just a Bessies event, it's not just an event, it's a collaboration.
Yeah.
So we're thinking 4 courses, like snacks, mid-course, main course, dessert. Yeah.
Do we need to specifically use these chips or this?
Yeah, we want to use
And the idea came from Morgan. We were talking about like when we grew up in New Zealand, there's French onion dip.
French onion dip.
It's like, what is it, like evaporated milk?
Yeah, it's like
and French onion
evaporated
soup.
or
Like it's
carnation,
gross,
yeah,
but
it's
it's kind of delicious at the same time.
Yeah.
Here's trouble.
Chippies are ready.
So there's a grilled mortadella dish on the menu at Gimlet that I love.
Oh yeah, the skewered thing.
Yeah, so like something like that, but kind of a riff on Tony Bourdain's mortadella sandwich.
Oh, yeah,
as a grill.
Yeah, cool. Could even do like little pig's head torchon that we debone and roll. And then we can kind of
So we'll just get in like whole cube rolls.
The whole thing and then
cook them as
slice
whole
it.
and then
Yeah,
slice it.
bro.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
slice it.
I was thinking
Just
we were
carve
going
it.
to do grill like ribeyes.
Is that what we're doing as the main, the prime rib, that's it? And then with sides,
Yeah, I
salad
put
or...
like steamed baby potatoes, wakame butter, and then like I guess we need some lettuce.
And then dessert.
Have?
That's fucking bad, bro.
You've done these a few times before, right?
Never like a pop like a
Oh, okay.
collab. No.
Okay.
You're the first one, bro.
Save the best.
All right, so all the planning's done and the day is finally here. To be quite honest, I was kind of surprised at how fast that sold out. It sold out like immediately, which is pretty cool. But it means there's a pretty large amount of expectation here. It's 9 a.m. The chefs have already been here for over an hour, and these guys do this every day. So sure, I can pull my my big boy shorts on and do it for one day at least. But we're gonna go jump in, get some mise en place done. We've got the beef to get ready. We've got the mortadella to skewer. We've got all the salads to get ready. There's a lot to do, so I guess we better crack on. Did you guys make this?
Yeah, bro.
Sick.
Fold it in half. You're gonna go like 1, 2, 3. That's 1. You skewer it through the back like that. Okay? Yeah. Then you got 120 more to go.
So this is the mortadella skewer, and we've got some panna granata on the top and a cheese sauce underneath. At the moment, we've got to skewer 120 mortadella skewers, don't we, Chef? You ready? Ready. Excellent. Your mum's a big fan. Send her a photo, yeah? Me and you together.
Yeah.
I'm lucky, yeah, you kind of get to eat everywhere. I know. But we've been in New Zealand a lot. Been to we ate at a restaurant called Ahi in New Zealand. There you go, that's it. The last mortadella skewer done. That took a lot longer than expected, to be perfectly honest. My back hurts, and I regret suggesting that we put this on the menu. But that's okay. Thanks, bro. I never thought I'd have my own face on a shirt. So this is the ocean trout tartare. So we're going to do it like a classic beef tartare, but this ocean trout's been cured and cold smoked by the boys yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday. So then yeah,
Like coriander, fennel seed.
yeah.
And we washed it, hung it overnight, then cold smoked it yesterday.
And then we'll serve it with like traditional kind of steak tartare garnish. So cornichon, shallot, capers, and some creme fraiche.
Bit of finger lime as well.
Stunning, chef. It's got a great colour, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I had a mate that worked at this 3-star in Barcelona, and he told me that when you're on the fish section, if they find the bone on the fish, no day off.
Okay, main course, we're doing one of my favourite dishes of all time, prime rib. So we've got all these ebony Angus prime ribs, just like a cube roll or like a ribeye. We've seasoned them up really well, trussed them, trimmed them a little bit. We're going to reverse sear them. So they've been in the oven for like 3 hours at this point at like 80 degrees. We're going to bring up to a temperature of like 46 to 48 degrees, and we pull them out. We're going to seal them really hard, and then we can slice them to order like a carvery style.
That's at 40 inside.
40. What's the bottom one at?
That's at 46. This is
What we might want to do is because we're going to get a bit more radiation of heat while we rest. Why don't we try to aim for maybe like 46 in the middle? Because I don't want the outsides to overcook.
Some good lessons, some real bad ones. Yes, they should.
Justin, get in, mate. Justin, come around. Justin, come in, mate.
Act like you cooked it, bro. All right, so Morgie's doing his famous chicken for Staffies tonight, and you're just testing some, bro?
Yeah, man, we're just gonna do, because 5 fillet skin on.
Big bowl of love right there. This is good cheese. I don't care what anyone says.
We kind of made this like sauce called Good sauce. Good. It's a mix of QP, French's mustard, Heinz 57, a pepper vinegar, and then blended pickled jalapeno and pickles.
Did you see that Bon Appetit article? Thanks, bro. About like, get your dirty phones off the table.
No.
It was really good. I'm trying to stop it. I'm like, it's like dangerous, man. All right, this is really delicious. Unsurprisingly, the fried chicken king has pulled it off. But after this, we're going to get the section set up, and then we're going to plate all the dishes to make sure all the teams across it before the customers start arriving.
Come here for a second so we can have a chat. As soon as the stuff comes back, not so much of the cottage, but it's in bottles, do the Ocean Jack and cheese come in here.
Right, let's just wait for Big Dog. Quite a few VIPs, obviously. The biggest of all is Caitlin, Andy's partner.
The boss.
The boss. The real boss. The person actually running the show tonight. She's going to be joined by a few guests, mostly kind of chefy friends, Instagram friends, friends of Andy's.
We're obviously doing things a little bit different today. Same kind of Bessie style as you know and love, just with a bit of Andy Cook's flair thrown in there. Guys, it's a one-of-a-kind, really special day. We're really honoured that Andy chose us. I hope Andy is happy with us.
Yeah. The reason that we reached out to you guys to do this is because I love this place, right? It's like, it's the food that I like to cook. It's, you know, every time we come and dine here, we feel like rock stars. So just do what you normally do and it will be cool.
Remy, do you want to say anything for us?
Not really, unless you guys have any questions about the menu. We're going to go over that shortly. We're going to put up one of each.
Refresh them in the oven.
I reckon, bro, you need 30 grams, but if you get 2 big ones, it's all like that. Low torch it, salt, pepper, season it up nicely.
So everyone knows the cod roes, bread, soaked in milk, garlic, onion, oil, cured cod roe. Yeah, exactly the same as what we normally do.
That is nice.
Oh, I don't know. Does that look a little weird like that?
And a bit of the pan grattato on the top.
Looks a bit.
It was kind of like,
It's the same sauce as yesterday.
because it was holding nicely the other day.
It's the exact same
But it's
sauce.
not that hot though either.
How come it's not holding together like it did the other day?
It's the exact same sauce.
Okay. Because the sauces are a really important element, right?
I think I'm going to have to do that.
Yeah.
It's the exact same sauce. No, I mean, all that.
We know that.
Yeah, we can just do it like that. Let's just get it up, at least the guys get to taste it, and then we can work on the consistency of the sauce. And then, so Abby, you want to start working now on the trout and the sausage, please? All right, everybody. These are the snacks. So this comes out as one hit as well. So this will all go out at the same time. So we'll need to have 2 runners going at one time each time as we go. So we'll go table by table. Go, try everybody.
It has thickened up when you boiled it, right? You just we need to heat it up properly. And then,
It fixed the sauce. So
sick.
It was just
They
one
just,
summer salt one.
they just need to bring it to the boil.
Yeah, right.
We'll keep it
to
hot
activate
for
it.
service, yeah.
right. Oh, Swanner's chef.
The pressure was on with the camera.
Everyone like that tonight, boys, yeah?
So we've just brought them out in this way just so everyone can see it at stage, but we're going to do the trout as a course, and then the next course will be obviously the sausage. So we've got the jowls, all the little meat inside the cheek. We deboned all the head. We put a little bit of pork belly in there as well.
I think the only thing to add is, and you'll see this from this point on in the menu, is this kind of reflects my love for like the French brasserie.
And I think it's a great kind of point that Andy made. Like, this is an awesome little kind of like collaboration of all the things that he and I love together, which seems to be the same things as well. So awesome. All right, guys. Did we do? She's done it as individual.
For what? Individual what?
The beef
The individual slices of beef.
slices.
There's 2 people,
Okay.
2 plates, just a slice and jus on it.
Oh, okay. Individual plates.
Yeah. I think so.
Okay. Yeah.
No?
No.
Once per table.
No. One slice per person.
Yeah.
Yeah. One plate of beef.
Do you not think it's maybe better that we just do it
yeah.
individual and then they don't have to share?
Otherwise, they're just moving 2 pieces of beef. For
Yeah,
no
there's
reason.
more room on the table for the sides as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
And then there's less f***ing around on the table as well.
Harriet,
Yeah, perfect.
change of plans.
Yeah.
Beef is getting served on the guest plates.
Yeah, so after sausage we clear, I'll get you a stack of fresh plates. You're just gonna plate it up and we're just gonna send it.
On those plates
Do you want to grab one
individually.
of the...
Cool.
Okay.
43.
This is the most nerve-wracking thing, even though you know the temperature.
Look at that, mate.
So we need 65 slices essentially. We need 70 slices. So
No, we need 120 slices, chef.
no, in this round.
Oh, we.
Max, you've got to work on where the middle is. Know that you've got to get 10 either side, and then go from there.
20 each. Yeah, right. 5, 6.
So you're checking it out.
It is about a finger, bro. It's about a finger.
Yeah.
Which finger? That finger?
So the little kind of house stew that we make with the meat sauce reduction, that's going on the bottom. 200 grams of meat. There'll just be a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper on the top. And then on the side, we have a horseradish cream, fresh green leaf salad, baby potatoes or kiflers. And then we've got just the same cavallonero that we do here on the menu. So this is an awesome little main course as well. Okay, I've got something very, very serious to say, and that is around the fact that New Zealand thinks that they created the pavlova. But I'm going to tell you, it's Australian all the way through.
You know the Lamington.
So we took the classic kind of pavlova, and what we did is kind of did it in reverse. So everything's gone on the inside and then just a nice little meringue shell. So
Who's going to do the honours?
Go on, Andy, smash the pan.
No.
Go on.
I think it's 15 minutes and some guests arriving already.
I'll get the music on.
We got the hip hop.
All right, that's the tasting done and the doors are open. Guests are arriving. The team's ready. Well, I hope they are. Let's get stuck in.
Happy with all that?
Yeah, bro. Stoked. Looks sick. Looks sick.
Yeah,
Thank
cool.
you, bro.
No, pleasure.
Is that the new air conditioning?
It was washing the pan and the...
No way.
Yeah, it's like, because it's vapor.
Oh, the fire brigade come on.
Hey, can you just double check that's not going to notify the fire alarm, is it? The fire brigade? Call them and tell them not to come?
Be good for your content,
Right, yeah, it's great. It's
real restaurants.
yeah. Okay, we were just getting started and the fire alarm decided to go off, which is never a great time. Seems to be sorted. I think everyone's seated, so we're going to start plating the first dishes.
I want the next one. The next one's more aioli.
Okay, let's pick up 2 plates. Angus, you're going to go to table 21, please. 2. So we'll pick up 2 quad row 2 chips. Let's go to 31. So again, take 2.
Do a bit more mayo, okay? Can you do it?
Another one like that.
That's 72. Only one more.
I need one more. Hello. Some fish cheeks with some pork lardo on the top.
I have to say, like, knowing you as like online chef,
Yeah.
seeing you actually, I'm like, I'm really impressed.
Yes.
He's actually doing it.
yeah. I can cook.
It's like watching someone DJ. That
Yeah.
Hears a DJ. It's like he's doing it.
Yeah. All right, that's all the snacks gone. Time to get on to the entrees. We've got the trout and the sausage coming up next.
It's all coming together, eh?
It's like Millhouse. Our team, we've got some pig head sausage. Oh no! We're going to feed you tonight, so I hope you're hungry.
Yes.
Sure.
This is so good.
Enjoying it?
It's so good. This has actually been our favourite.
Oh, really?
Okay, and then the next round we need 22 beef.
22, that's a big number.
Let's take those, please. Those 2 going to 23.
Oh yes, Swan and Chef, they look good now.
Pick up 1, you're going to go to
What do you left
22.
For this first set?
25.
25 left.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I can't take the credit for that. That's all Nathan. He's very clever. Should we start sending?
Yep, we can go.
We've got some lemon myrtle diplomat in there, a bit of a lemon curd. It's a UFO and some mushrooms. So crack into it. Not mushrooms, strawberries. Good. It's me. We got some pavlova, a great Kiwi invention to finish. So I encourage you to smash through it.
Yes, sir.
How was the rest of your meal?
Very good.
It was good?
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you for coming, guys.
No, thank you.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Sandwich.
I think the fish
Sausage is good. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I love the sausage.
I really enjoyed the tartare.
The pavlova. The New Zealand pavlova.
Everything on the menu?
Everything?
We did all right, didn't we?
We did very good.
We wanted to make a place that's super fun.
Yeah.
Like that's like not pretentious. Great food, great drinks, great vibe.
How do you think we did tonight?
pretty good.
Pretty good?
I think we could have put in another setting.
Yeah, I think so too. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, because you guys made that seamless for me.
No, it was great. I mean, it was great to kind of come together and collaborate on the menu.
Yeah.
It's just like a big party on the night, you know, lots of fun, everyone gets involved.
All good, guys. Thanks for coming. Thank you. See ya. Thank you very much. So that was our pop-up at Bessies. Couldn't have gone any better. The vibes in here were immaculate, and I had an absolute blast. But my back is not used to doing 14-hour days, so I'm going to go to bed.